Yeah, so hi guys. Trust you guys are doing very, very well. Yeah, so quick one for those of you that have been following back to back, so you should know these sites that I'm on at the moment. So let me just show you around. So I want to do something before we get to the next stage. So I want to quickly check something. So I want to show you guys how I'm going to do it and how important it is. So let me quickly show you guys around and see what is really going on, so that you can, for those of you that are not familiar, once you have seen it, you must have recognized the side I'm talking about. And those of you that have been following, so you can know the state that we are at the moment. So Kinwa, Kinwa, eh, Kilevache. Okay, all right, okay. So let me quickly show you guys and so let me show you guys so that you can see. So, and also a quick one. So also I appreciate you guys too as well, because this is a new year. This is a new year entirely. So I actually got feedback from YouTube for 2024, the recap of the whole 2024. So, and it was really, really amazing, really, really amazing. So I really appreciate you guys for your support. I really appreciate you guys. For those that have also been encouraging with their comments, I really, really appreciate so much from the part of Africa, from UK. I have a brother in UK that is always there. He's always there to comment. He's always there to wait. Even when I did not even drop videos when I ought to drop them, he will just come into the comment section and ask for updates. So I really, really appreciate you guys for your support. I really, really appreciate. So that's what has been motivating me, keeping me going, because you guys are always there to support, to encourage. So I really, really appreciate. So let me quickly show you guys what is really looks like at the moment, so that we can move to what we have to do today. Okay, so guys, this is where we are at the moment. So we are tidying up the formwork in this area for the slab and beams. So those side that we have completed, the iron benders have fixed the reinforcement, as you can see on this side. So we stopped on this side, so we're going to continue from here today. So you can see these guys. So all those back end from that place, we've completed the beam reinforcements. So once we drop the beam, we're going to fix the slab formwork too as well, the slab reinforcement rather. So this side now we're going to start. We will continue the beam reinforcement from this side. We're going to tidy up all this place, clean all this place before iron bender will start their beams and slab reinforcements. So this is where we are. So I'm very, very sure most of you must be familiar with this site. So those that have been following, so you must definitely be familiar with this site. So this is where we are. So my instrument also is up here. So what I actually want to do today is I want to check the beam formwork that the carpenter has done. So I want to check. I've checked for all those places, so I want to check these parts as well, and those places that they've not dropped the beam, so that I can check and see if there's going to be any adjustment, so that we can have a perfect surface of slab and beam as well. So that's what I actually want to quickly check around. I will check all the beams, I will check all the slab. So in relation to the final level that we're supposed to have, the final casting level that we're supposed to have, so that's what I want to check it. So my guy is also set, so he will take the staff to the level under this floor, the 1 meter level that we transferred there initially. So it's going to start from there. So we'll now use that to transfer the exact height that we are going on this floor. So from there, we'll now use that as reference to check every other places and see the result that it gives us. And if there are places that we need to adjust, so we adjust. And if there are places that the difference is minimal, so we can move from there and proceed. So that's it, guys. So let's quickly get to work. Let's get to work. So Uche, yeah, take the staff. Go to that lift. Any level if you see for that lift area. So let's check. So that means you go remove the staff well. Remove the staff, finish. So you understand? Oh, yeah. Okay, so it's set anyway. So from there, he's going there to check. You go down to check the 1 meter level. So from that 1 meter level now, I'm supposed to have 3.3 meter. I'm supposed to have 3.3 to the final level of this floor. From that level, I will have 3.3 above. So that will give us the final level of this place. So once you check now, I will deduct my 3.3. So I will know the level that I'm supposed to have for this floor. So let's go, guys. So you can see, guys, it's there already. Let me show you guys so that you can see where it is. So we have the 1 meter level on this side. So I will check and see, subtract my 3.3 from there. So I have 4405. Let me show you guys and see. Can you see, guys? I have 4405. Oh yeah, Uche. So I will subtract 4.405 minus 3.3. So that will give me the level that I'm going on this floor. So I will now use that. I will use the results as a reference to now check every spot height of the beam formwork and the slab formwork, so that I will now go and do my calculation and see what the result looks like and the area that we need to really work on. So I will now call the carpenter to check those places for me. So those areas that are okay, I will just stick them on my drawing. So that's one of the ways to also make sure that you check your formwork, because once these iron benders, once they drop their beams like this, once they drop it down, it will be very, very difficult to check at that time. So it is better we do every necessary things before they drop their beam reinforcements. So that's why I'm doing this, to check. So you also, whenever you are doing your slab, when your carpenters are done, make sure you check before the iron benders drop their reinforcements. So let's start from here. Yeah, check this side. Check this side for me. No, reduce down. Take and go down. It's okay like that. So every of my readings now, I'll be recording it down. So once I record it down, so I will now go and do my calculation from there. No need marker now. I want check. We go check everything. Check inside. Just put down for the center. It's okay like that. So I'll be checking every of the readings and be writing it down. So later I can do my calculation and check what I have. Raise it up. Let me see the number. Raise it up. Okay, yeah, go down small. Okay. That is 1890. Okay.